Hello and thank you for joining us here at GTX Plumbing for another Sunday Plumbday tip of the week. Today is daylight savings time. I hope you remembered to set your clocks back this morning. So I use daylight savings time as a routine time of the year to kind of do my maintenance checkups around my home. A few things that you might want to keep in mind are check your batteries and your carbon monoxide and fire alarms. You might want to check the pan around your water heater, see if it's accumulating any sort of moisture or water. And make sure that there's no corrosion building up on your water heater itself. Another thing that you can do is check underneath of your sinks and all your fixtures. Look at those shutoff valves that we went over in a previous video. On those shutoff valves, you're going to be looking for any sort of water dripping off of them, obviously, or underneath of them for any sort of water damage that you can see that might have been made by previous water coming out of them. Check for corrosion on those as well. Just keep your eye on them. That way you know what's happening and what might need to be maintained soon. So when we step back in time, just remember this rhyme. You should check all your plumbing for corrosion or grime. And if you do have any plumbing issues, feel free to call us in the South Houston and Galveston area at 832-340-4504 or in the Georgetown and North Austin area at 512-688-7442. Thanks.